Parker, what did you give Frank?
A sucker.
Did you think that was a good idea?
Yeah.
But he's just a baby. He shouldn't need a sucker.
He should. He can't. He can. He won't bite it.
Why won't he bite it?
Does he have any teeth?
Well, I guess he can have a sucker then.
What if he ate it and it went down his tummy?
Does he like it? Do you like that, Frank?
He does.
This is our third child.
He likes suckers. He likes it. Yuck.
Ugh. No.
He's crying. He wants it. No way. You have to give him. He's happy. Makes him happy, Mom. It's not nice to take popsicles away.
Well, we can only let him have it for a minute. It's not good for him.
You made him sad.
All right, that's enough.
Good job. Hey, Mom, that was my good idea to give him a popsicle.
I don't know if it was a good idea, Parker, because we do have to take it away from him, and he's going to cry. He can't. He's a baby. He really can't have a popsicle. Okay, so that's enough.